Hello guys. So it's our day 6. Technically it should be our 7th day, but yesterday it was holiday. Yesterday was Sunday, so it was the gym was closed yesterday. So we just three people came, and our trainer is not present today.
He did
Train-
his training in morning only.
So we became ourselves trainers.
yeah, we became self trainer for today. So hope trainer will be joining us
Tomorrow,
tomorrow. Yeah.
if he will not join, then we will find them.
Yes. So we did several things. What are the things that you guys did?
I did squats
Yeah.
and I did Russian twist. I did planks.
Hey, teach me also Russian twist.
That one Russian twist in which you have a weight in your hand and then you
Oh.
did just left and right while lifting your leg in the air.
Okay. And then what you did? Our star boy, Aditya Khosla.
Breathing, bro.
Huh?
Curls.
Hey, come here, bro. Otherwise, we all are not coming in one
We
frame.
did many things, but
Ah,
most of the
express.
things we don't know the names what we did.
If our trainer would have come, then he would be knowing it. So, you know nothing. He just knows Gemini things, guys.
Yeah.
And he has a good news to share. Do you want to share?
Yeah. Just,
Oh, he will share one good things to you guys.
when he will completely fix it,
Yes.
Yeah.
then he will be sharing it with you.
There is a big news, and it is going to disrupt whole dermat market, na?
But he is still not giving party to us, so it may can backfire.
Yes, it may, bro.
And he will give party whenever my mobile gets fixed. I
Yeah.
can spend, bro. You will give me later.
What is your message for Makwana? He is not coming. He has left us. So, what should be your
My
message
message
for him?
towards him is very good. He is more into studies,
Okay.
and if he wants to study rather than spending time in gym, that is also a mentality.
No, but
it is also
he-
fine.
but-
But he should give more weightage to his body.
No. He should give weightage to study.
No study,
But,
but
but
body
they should
is
maintain.
essential part.
Yeah.
But
But he doesn't have body na, to reduce.
But we can spend 30
Oh, he.
to 40
By
minutes
the
on
way,
body.
by the way, he just spending some time with someone.
Because healthy mind dwells in a healthy body. That's
Yeah.
why.
It's for guys. It's bye. Bye for today.